Broke but still want to start a YouTube channel? What if I told you that you don't need fancy equipment or a big budget? You can create high-quality, monetizable YouTube videos using just your phone and free AI tools. No need to show your face. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to launch a faceless YouTube channel right from your iPhone. Let's get started.
All right, let's get started. But before we get started, I just wanted to say this is going to be a long video, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys know. So if you want to learn the basic stuff, stick around, because I'm going to be showing a lot of things that most people don't really talk about when they are starting up their YouTube channel. And I feel like this is the basic stuff that we need to do first. Like if you're a new beginner like myself, this is the step that you have to take before you even go and set up your YouTube channel, which I will also be showing us with this challenge. I'm doing a 30 days challenge. I will still talk about that, but first of all, this is a basic beginners, okay? So if you're new on YouTube, you don't know anything about YouTube, this is the first thing we need to do first to start up our YouTube channel. So get your notepad ready. Let's dive into it. So the first thing we need to do is actually get a notepad, okay? Get your notepad. You can get a simple notepad, you can get a customized notepad. The reason why I said get a customized notepad, right, because we have to write things down, okay? A lot of people use their phones, but I feel like phone will not really get you the job. If you want to get things done, there's something about writing things down. I feel like it's a little bit spiritual when you write things down. That's what I did. Everything I'm sharing right now is what I am currently doing right now. I'm writing things down. This thing I'm talking about on YouTube right now, Faceless YouTube, this is the stuff that I'm doing. I'm writing. I got me a notepad and I'm writing things down, and then I decided to start creating this Faceless YouTube. You guys are currently watching me right now. So that's the first thing you do. Either you get a simple notepad, or you can get just get a customized notepad. I will drop some of the links. If you would like to get a customized notepad, you can get some on Amazon, as a matter of fact, okay? Nice ones on Amazon, or you can even get on Walmart. You can go to the store, drive in and say, hey, and grab you a nice customized notepad. And those notepads that are customized, some of them usually have maybe like a calendar that you have to take, like those days that you have done it, you know. Then the days that you're uploading your YouTube video, you can also actually tick on it as well, more like a journal, okay? Maybe I will also create one for us, but let's just keep going. Let me keep going. I will tell us more about it, because this is a journey, okay? YouTube is a journey. It's not something you have to rush, okay? So let's just take our time. If you're basic like me, let's take our time. I feel like there's so many fast content. People are not really being raw and authentic anymore on YouTube. So I'm coming with my authentic self. I'm not showing my face, of course. This is a AI, of course. It's a faceless YouTube. That's why it's faceless. A lot of people use AI to do some of their work. So after you've gotten your notepad, okay, then the next thing you need to do is to set up your social media, okay? Set it up. It's very important. All right, most people don't talk about this, but I'm giving everyone step by step what I'm doing, and I'm writing it down as well. Okay, set up your social media, get an Instagram, get a TikTok, and get a Facebook, and then also get the YouTube, which I'm going to be sharing my next video, how to set up the YouTube. But this is just us brainstorming right now before we can even start, okay? So let's get get your social media, set everything up first. These are the things you do first before you can even get on social media. So before you can even get on YouTube, okay? So after that, that's the second thing, right? Telling after that, like I said, this is the basic stuff. All right, so if you're a professional, please don't come for me. I'm not a professional. I'm still learning. I'm only just telling us what we are going to be doing before we even get into this YouTube. Okay, no fast paced here. We're just taking our time because we are learning. I'm learning as I'm doing this as well. So anyway, so after you number 3 things you have to do. Number 3 is link all those okay, I forgot to tell you guys something. Okay, After you get your social media, the next thing you need to do is to join affiliate marketing products, like any affiliate marketing, like Amazon is one of them. Join anything that you are doing. Like if you pick up a niche, right, that's another thing I will talk about. So your YouTube channel, you have to pick something that you like to do. Okay, you also want to make money while you are also on YouTube is business, so you're not just here just to have fun. You are giving value at the same time. You also want to make money. So sign up with any affiliate marketing. You can also create your own ebook, which I will also be doing as well, and I'll also be putting my link later on, but I'm not doing that right now. We'll do everything step by step. This is just a day one. I told myself today I'm going to post. Today I'm going to do a YouTube, and I'm also going to post. Okay, so this is the first thing we have to do. Is after you have created your social media, pick up a niche and join any affiliate marketing that you know. And after that, the next thing you will do is to get okay, after you join a marketing, after affiliate marketing on your niche, then you can also write an ebook on your niche, something that is talking about the giving value to people. Maybe you are into babies, or maybe you're into what is another business, or maybe you're AI. Get affiliate marketing on that. Also write an ebook, digital ebook for people that you like to share to people as well. Okay, so these are the things that we are doing. All right, if you don't know how to write an ebook, I think my next video I'm making more videos. So this is just my first beginning brainstorming on before you even get your YouTube started. This is a brainstorming. I think I will even have to change my title. All right, so after we've done that, so you guys follow me step by step. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to set up a website. You can set up a website for yourself if you're a brand, or you can set up a website if you have a product. Okay, so after you've set up that website, right, let's say if you don't have any website, you don't know how to create website, you can also do what is called, I think it's called Bitcoin. You can get a Bitcoin where all your links, all those affiliate links I just told you guys, can go on there. Or you can use another one that's called Direct Me. I'll also put a link on all of these things I'm saying. Okay, so after we have done that, right, you've set up your Bitcoin and or your direct link. That direct link is where all your link, everything that you have already set up for YouTube, will go on there. All the links will go on there, or you get a website. All right, after that, you now create a logo for yourself as well. You need logo, you need to brand yourself. I think that's not number 5. Then number 6 is you will create an email. I already said the TikTok, the Instagram. Okay, I have already said that you need to create that. Your social media is very, very important. Then the next thing we have to do is to join affiliate companies. Like I said before, I'm just saying most of the things that I've said before, but these things are the reason why I'm saying it is because they are very, very important. You get, so you need to set up those things before you can even think about starting up your YouTube channel. Is very, very important. Okay, so those are just the steps that you need to do before you can even get on the practical, which is to create a YouTube channel. So my next video, I will be doing step by step on how the things that you need to, your plugin, your setting, how you need to set up your YouTube channel so that you can start getting links. Okay, so sorry, you can start getting views and you're giving value to people. Okay, so I just wanted to share these steps because I feel like people are not being so much authentic when it comes to this website. Everybody is so much in a hurry. Everybody is such an expert. Everybody know everything or even they don't even know, they're just cut and paste. So This is a Faceless YouTube. So I just hope that I was able to give you guys value, because this is the basic. Like I said, this is just the basic thing we need to do before we can even get started. So we are not giving up hope. So if you want to join this challenge, it's 30 days challenge. How it goes is this, right? And at the end of 30 days, I will do a giveaway $100 for I'll do $50 for 2 persons who actually start up their YouTube, followed my challenge, you know, was able to do everything that we're doing on for 30 days. Okay, let's see how we are holding each other accountable. We feel like there's so much money to be made. My YouTube is going to be 100% free. I don't care about the money. I'm not taking any courses right now. I'm not teaching any. The only teaching course I'm doing is online, 100% free online. I'm giving back. Okay, so if you want to join this challenge, please comment I'm joining this challenge on the comment section, this Faceless YouTube challenge, so that we can all know how many people that is interested. I also know that some people are interested in this type of video, so I can make more excuse me, so I can make more content like this. Okay, if I'm getting a lot of encouragement, I'll make another YouTube. And then, like I said, you take your time. YouTube is something that's here for everybody. We're not in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry to make money, because YouTube is not somewhere you come in immediately and make money. Okay, this is something that you actually love doing. Like, I love talking. You can see I'm still talking till now, because I feel like I need to share. I feel I'm not like an expert, right? But at the same time, I have value that I feel like I can share to everybody. Like, so much money to be made. Like, let us make this money. If you're struggling right now with your YouTube, so just join me. I'm not an expert. I'm still learning. I'm still a student. I'm not a teacher. I always say this. I'm still a student, because every day I'm learning from people who are doing better than myself, and I'm here trying to show exactly what I'm also learning. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe, and get on the challenge. Let's do this, ladies. We have 30 days. Today is our day 1. Okay, I'm holding on you guys tomorrow. Okay, today is day 1. I'm gonna also put it on my on my description, day 1 of our challenge. Okay, so how it works is, for 30 days you must post at least 1 video. You can post 10 videos if you like for 1 day, but at least 1 video is enough. 1 video. We're holding each other accountable. You have to post 1 video every day for 30 days. So we're starting today. Like I told myself, I must do a video today. There's nothing that was stopping me from doing a video, and I will still post it today. Even if I don't put all the links and all the tags, I will still come back and do it maybe tomorrow, but I must post a video today. Okay, so I wish you guys all the best. Good luck. Let's do this. Let's have fun, guys, ladies and gents. I don't know, I feel like my audience is gonna be ladies, because that's the people I relate to it. Okay, thank you guys, and God bless everyone. All right, bye everyone.